Today we are going to make sweet, slightly spicy, and lightly smoky maple chicken wings. These wings will be perfectly caramelized on the outside, while remaining tender and juicy on the inside, giving you that ideal texture and flavor in every bite. These American-style chicken wings are perfect for parties, casual gatherings, game nights, or even just as a delicious evening snack. They are easy to prepare, and their shiny golden glaze makes them look amazing on any serving platter. To make this recipe, we will need fresh chicken wings, pure maple syrup, soy sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, salt, olive oil, and a little chili flakes for a hint of spice. Each ingredient plays an important role in creating the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and smoky flavors. First, we need to thoroughly wash and clean the fresh chicken wings. Make sure all blood residue or raw smell is removed so that the wings are fresh and ready for seasoning. Clean wings ensure better taste and even cooking. Once cleaned, place all the chicken wings into a large mixing bowl. This will make it easier to season them evenly, so every wing gets the perfect amount of flavor from start to finish. Now sprinkle in the right amount of salt. This helps build a strong base, seasoning and enhances the natural flavor of the chicken. The salt penetrates the meat, making each bite savory and delicious. Next, add freshly ground black pepper. This adds a subtle heat and a warm, aromatic flavor that will perfectly complement the sweetness of the maple. Glaze later on. Drizzle a little olive oil over the wings and mix thoroughly. Make sure the seasoning coats every piece evenly. This ensures that each wing is fully flavored and ready for the oven. Arrange the seasoned chicken wings on a baking tray or rack, leaving small spaces between them. This allows the heat to circulate evenly around each wing, helping them cook perfectly on all sides. Carefully place the tray into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Baking the wings slowly will help them cook evenly. Develop a golden exterior and remain juicy on the inside. Bake the wings for about 30 minutes. Turn them once halfway through so that both sides become golden, brown, and lightly crisp. This slow roasting allows the fat to render out and the skin to develop a wonderful texture. As the wings bake, the natural fat slowly melts away. The outer layer roasts gradually, creating a rich, delicious texture. The aroma fills the kitchen and makes the mouth water. When the wings turn a light golden color, they are perfectly baked and ready for the maple glaze. This is the moment when flavor, texture, and appearance all come together beautifully. Now we will prepare the maple glaze sauce, which is the key element of this recipe. This sticky, sweet, and savory sauce will make the wings irresistible and give them that shiny, caramelized finish. Heat a small amount of oil in a pan and gently saute the minced garlic until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden. The aroma of garlic adds depth to the glaze and enhances the flavor of the wings. Next, pour in pure maple syrup. This syrup is the main ingredient that gives the wings their signature sweet taste. It will form a shiny, sticky coating that clings to every wing perfectly. Add soy sauce to balance the sweetness with savory umami flavor. Stir gently to mix the ingredients into a smooth, glossy glaze that will coat the wings beautifully. Allow the sauce to simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. It will gradually thicken, become glossy, and slightly sticky. This perfect consistency ensures the glaze clings well to the wings. When the glaze coats the spoon and drips slowly, it means it has reached the perfect consistency. Now it's time to add the baked chicken wings into the glaze. Place the hot baked chicken wings directly into the pan. The glaze will immediately stick to the surface, covering each wing completely with sweet, shiny maple goodness. Gently toss and turn the wings in the glaze, making sure every piece is fully coated. This ensures each bite has the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and sticky flavors. The heat from the wings helps the glaze adhere perfectly, forming a shiny caramelized coating that looks as delicious as it tastes. Each wing is now ready for plating. At this stage, the wings are sticky, sweet, and lightly crisp on the outside. This signature texture is what makes maple chicken wings so irresistible and loved by everyone. Transfer the glazed wings onto a serving plate and arrange them neatly. Presentation is key, and a well-arranged platter makes the dish even more appetizing. Sprinkle a little chili flakes or finely chopped parsley on top. This adds a pop of color and enhances the overall flavor, making the wings visually stunning and even tastier. You can clearly see the glossy maple glaze on the outside and the juicy, tender chicken inside. Each bite is perfectly balanced with sweetness, savoriness, and a hint of spice. These wings go perfectly with ranch dressing, mayonnaise, or any spicy dipping sauce you like. The combination of flavors makes them absolutely irresistible. One bite delivers sweet, savory, and smoky flavors all together, giving you a true restaurant-style experience at home. The wings are juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. You can easily make these maple chicken wings at home and enjoy them warm with your family and friends. Perfect for any occasion. These wings are sure to impress everyone and leave them asking for more.